Railfanning started at the usual spot. It was a cold, rainy Monday. As I arrived, the local came by with two SD70Ms leading. First, UP 3885 and second, UP 4076. I hadn't seen these locomotives leading the local in a while, so I was kind of happy to see them again. But sadly, there's a different crew that takes the local down to Valley instead of bringing it back, so this crew just doesn't like to blow the horn for me. All signals are at a spot for a certain reason, and these signals are here to control the movable point frogs. Movable point frogs are used to switch trains between different tracks, and they're a very important part of why these signals are here. Also here is a box that stores information from this PTC antenna. Very cool to see. Tuesday's a repeat of Monday. Here comes the local with two SD70Ms, 4449 and 4746 leading. That makes two famous numbered SD70Ms for UP. Ever wondered what makes that clickety-clack sound as the freight cars roll by? It's this right here, a rail joint where two pieces of rail are welded together. As it becomes colder and colder and the snow and ice are going to start moving in, Union Pacific has put these coverings over the point frogs to help stop snow and ice from getting in to freeze them. Now, just like switches, these can freeze, and that means they're going to have to set them on fire to unfreeze them. Now, if these stop working, that could be very bad and stop trains from switching tracks and also cause derailments in case it half moves, half doesn't. So, it's very important to keep snow and ice out of them. Here are the racks that usually hold these coverings for most of the year. Wednesday was much nicer and warmer. Yet another catch of the local, this time with 5113 and 4548 SD70Ms leading. On this half-mile sign, you can see UP has this green square put up, and I'm not sure what it means. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. Here, right in front of this signal, we have a little milepost marker that says CPBO171. The 17 stands for their 17 miles from the headquarters, and the 1 stands for track 1. And the CPBO, I believe, stands for the box that is farther back. There's also one on the signals in front of track 2. I went farther back on the line and found this sign in front of the signals. It basically doesn't want trains to go anywhere near the point frogs in case they're blocking them and a train comes by on the opposite track and has to switch. Behind the sign is a small bridge that goes over the Papillion Creek, which is what I named my railroad after. Right as I arrived, I found a UP Intermodal train switching tracks at slow speed after an auto rack train had passed by. On the head end of this train was UP ES44AC 8067 and 5528. After waiting and watching a long, slow intermodal train make its way up the grade, here came the DPUs. First, ES44AC number 7361 and SD70M 5057. This just happened to catch my eye when I was in Valley. I was looking out the window and I spotted two UP SD70Ms. These were the ones that worked with the local, waiting for the train to arrive. Right as I arrived at the crossing, this train came. It was the empty of Friday's train, with ET44AC 2658 and SD70 ACE 8318 leading. I had been waiting around 20 minutes when this power move showed up. The move was led by SD70M 4047, trailed by AC44CW 6297 and ET44AC 2557. I hope you guys enjoyed this week of Railfanning. From Milepost 21 in Elkhorn, Nebraska, this is Union Pacific Omaha, out.